अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम है आपके मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पाइपिंग नॉलेज में। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द बेस सपोर्ट दैट द बेस इज लाइक टी टाइप. When you install the small bore line, that small bore line have a common support like T type support, like channel support, like clamp support. Now today I am talking about the base T type, that the common name in the isometric drawing is SS3, SS4, that the clamp name is UBG clamp, U clamp, U clamp, that the 2 inch, 3/4 and half inch type, and the SS3, SS9, SS4 support, that the type of fabricated by the angle of the different angle like 100, 110, like the channel, like the beam, that type of support. When you read the isometric, that type is support drawing, support number also mentioned. When it mention is SS3, SS4, SS9, that the common type of T type of support, that the different length and different width of the support. Let's discuss with the support number, with the isometric drawing, and with the that the support drawing also. Then easy for fabrication when you understand according to the support number wise what is the length of the support, what is the height of the support, what is the thickness of the angle, which angle required, where you put the clamp, how to base fix, what type of the base, somewhere is the welding, somewhere is the anchor fastener bolts, that all the detail of SS3C A10 A10 260 200. And then top of this one U clamp UBG 50-C. This 50 means D inside, that is a 2-inch U clamp, 2-inch U clamp. After installing this SS3 support, now I am going to the SS3 support drawing. That support drawing is the SS3C C2 C2 600 350. Now that is the number of support, that the type of installation type, which type you install, that C2 is the member means A10. When you go for table number 1, then I decide A10 what is this, that again C2, that one is also table 1 A10, that the length dimensional length is 600, but as per this support is 260, because I told you from the ground is support is not too much higher, so 260 is the length. Now according to this support is, as per my drawing, is 200. That means A10 260 260. C means installation type, that is the number of the support, to means C A10. Now I am going to the table number 1 C2, member 1 and member 2. Table number 1, according to this support A10 or A10, that is the table number 1, that is the table number 1. Member 1 also A10, member 1 and member 2 both are A10, that means is also A10. Okay, that A10 means 100 by 8. That angle thickness is 100 mm into 100 mm into 8 mm thickness. I show you the real drawing of this support. See, this is the member 1, that is the member 1 is member 1 and member 2, that also the thickness of that is the collar size, that collar size is 100. Then this side also collar size is 100, and thickness of this collar is 8 mm, that is called 100 into 8 mm. So after fabrication, this side, this collar also 100, this collar also 100, the thickness of the angle is 100, like same, this is 100 by this one is also 100 and thickness 8 mm. So now identify 100 angle used in this member 1, 100 angle used in this member 2. Now the dimension of this, dimension is the length L, as per when you go installation type. This is the type of installation. Length means at the top side of the angle, length already mentioned in the drawing, that isometric drawing already mentioned is 260, and second one is 200. First dimensional length is 260, that one is 260. Second dimension is height, that height is already mentioned here, that one is already mentioned, height is 200, that is the installation type C. When you visit the support, that is the C, that means is the installation type, how you install the support, that is installation type of C. As per condition is the BP2 for use in the installation type C. BP2 for use in the installation type C. Now as notes is giving base plate BP2. BP2 base plate detail is the BP2. When you go for how you fix the base plate. Now I am talking about BP2 base plate detail. When you bottom plate fix with the, like this one is base plate detail 200 into 200, that the here to here A is equal to 200, that is the chord of A square. A is equal to 200, that vertical, that inside 140, from this one is 140 square. Now the dimension of C, that 30 mm. This is the from here center to outside the wall 30 mm, and the plate thickness is equal to 12 mm. That the, sorry, this one, that one is 12 mm plate thickness, that the thickness is 12 mm plate. That square length is equal to 200, inside to inside, that 140, that from here to that outside is the 30 mm, and plate thickness, that the plate thickness is equal to 12 mm. When you install the support, that is civil concrete from the plate, that is equal to 25 mm gap for the grouting purpose. 25 mm gap for the grouting purpose. Whole dia is 25 mm. If the complete whole dia is equal to 25 mm hole, 25 mm 04 number hole. That support fixed with the installation type C support fixed with the existing concrete, that area already existing concrete available. Because of this concrete, I fabricate the base plate installed like this, that the anchor bolt, that RCC, that one is a concrete RCC, and then anchor bolt, the anchor bolt hole is 25 mm, and then anchor fasteners is 12 mm. That using Hilti drill machine, then this support fixed by the mechanical Hilti. That mechanical Hilti, when you fix the support, hammer by the top side, then this side is expand, then bolt tight, that the base plate is fixed. Finally, when you fabricate the support, this type of T and the top side and the angle from the down vertical, this one is length, this one is H, and then base plate have 4 Hilti option. See, this is the H, L, this one vertical height from that one is 4 Hilti fixed, or here the gap provided 25 mm for the concrete. Same, that all are the same support, the common line. That is the top area, one U clamp provided, that the name is UBG 50. If the line is 2 inch, then UBG 50. Now one important point, when you go for SS3 support fabrication, that one mandatory you take the physical condition of the site and line, how much length of the required of the support, because sometime in the small bore line elevation and everything change, that time support is also need to be changed. So it's better option ki when you do complete the line, that time is also that support is fabricated by the small bore support is fabricated by the physical condition. If you fabricated before, then a small modification, then is install the support. That SS3, whenever you go for install, then check the support drawing. That support drawing easy to understand how to fix this support, how much gap required in the bottom side, where you anchor bolt put, where how much gap, how much hole required for the base plate, which area you welding required, which area welding not required, that all the detail available in the which angle use, 100 angle or 110 angle or the beam, that type of detail available in the support drawing. So before installation any support, must be visit on the support drawing, read support drawing, understand the type of installation, that depends on the situation of the site condition, where existing beam available or where the civil foundation available. If the existing beam available available in the type of support change, then SS4, SS3, like that type of support available. Okay, thank you for the watching my video. I hope you understand.